Guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Maxine hair and they can be found on Amazon Prime. I will have all the details, links, and information left in the info section below. So here's the wig that I have. I have this absolutely gorgeous 13 by 6 inch water wave highlighted lace frontal wig, and this is what it looks like. It has all of that lace so you can get a super deep part, and look at this color. This color is in a number 427, and I think that is super summer appropriate, and I am just loving the color up against my melanin. However, this is what the wig looks like on. I like to put the wig on just to let you guys see exactly how I received the wig, and also sort of look at it to figure out if any work needs to be done. Now, for starters, I will be bleaching my knots, and I also will be tweezing the front perimeter of the hairline just to make it look a little more natural. However, this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and get started. So I just decided to bleach my knots off camera. If you guys want to see a more detailed video on how I do this, I'll be sure to link a video in the cards above. However, I did use my 30 volume developer and my BW2 bleaching powder. I decided to bleach my knots, and now I'm just using my silicone mix shampoo and conditioner to wash my wig. So the wig that I have is 28 inches long, 180% density. It also has that 13 by 6 inch transparent lace, and it is in that 427 highlighted color. Now, this wig does retail for about $219.99 on Amazon. However, they do have a $20 off discount when you add the wig to your cart, so be sure to hit that little check mark in order to receive some savings. This is what the wig looks like now that it's been washed, and now I'm going to move on to personally customizing the wig. This wig does have a natural pre-plucked hairline as well as baby hair. However, I am going to take it a step further, as I usually do, in order to get the wig to work for me. Now, I'm just pulling out the perimeters of the hair just so I can create some baby hairs a little later, although this wig does have them. I kind of wanted to take the baby hairs completely around the front perimeter. So now I'm just using a pair of tweezers to thin out the perimeter of the hairline to make it look less dense and more natural. This is what it looks like. Go ahead and use like a comb or a paddle brush to remove the excess hairs. That's how much hair that I tweezed out. Now I'm just going to move on to styling. If you guys are interested in any of the products that I'm using throughout this process, everything will be linked and listed in the info section below. However, I'm just going to continue to style up this wig, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. So I let my wig just sit and air dry, and it's completely dry. This is what it looks like. Just going to go ahead and remove that edge band, and you guys look at how natural the front perimeter looks. I went ahead and I pinned back my baby hairs, and now I'm just going to trim off that lace. So we're working with transparent lace, and transparent lace never really works for me. So I'm just applying a little bit of my liquid foundation to a brush, and I'm going to apply that all over the lace to where I can get a nice match. So if you decide to bleach your knots and you make a mistake like I did, make sure you pick up this cover stick, and they have various different colors. However, I just have black on hand, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of that just over the areas where I over bleached and it kind of got on the hair, and it looks very nice and natural. Gonna go ahead and throw on my stocking cap, and let's go ahead and get this wig on. So the lace is still a smidget too light. However, we're going to go ahead and get this wig melted down. You're going to see how everything comes together at the very end. I'm using my Got To Be glued spray, and I'm going to go ahead and get this wig temporarily adhered down. So now I'm going to use a little bit of powder, and this shade is a little darker than my skin tone. I'm just going to apply that all over the lace. This is going to make like that lace area look more natural, and it also hides the grids very well, and it cancels out the glue or the spray if it happens to peek through the lace. Now I'm just cutting down my baby hairs, and I'm just going to create a little look with the baby hairs. This is so unnecessary. However, I like to do it just because my forehead is a little bit on the larger side, so this is like a good little way to kind of disguise the overall size of my forehead. However, you don't have to wear baby hairs. It's so unnecessary. Now I'm gonna take my edge band and just get everything melted down. I like to kind of let that sit for about 20 minutes or so, and this is what it looks like. It's still a little bit too light, so I'm taking my Ebin lace tint spray, and I just sprayed a little bit of that on the lace, and now we are in business. You guys, get into this wig. I am so here for the color. Like, I remember I used to be super basic and I never really experimented with colors. However, the older that I get, the more that I'm kind of all like, you know, this looks really good on me, and I just love the fact that it's making my melanin pop. Like, it's doing something for me. It's like giving me something, and I'm here for it. And I love how subtle the highlights look. It's not overdone. It's just enough to make that color number 4 in the background pop, but still look super summery, and it kind of flows right into fall, and I am just like feeling myself, if y'all can't tell. But once again, this wig can be purchased on Amazon, and it does come from Maxine Hair. I will have all the details and links left in the info section below. Y'all, this hair is so soft. I keep touching it. Like, I'm watching this video back, I'm like, girl, get your hands out of your hair. But it's so soft, and I cannot get enough of it. Y'all, look at how natural the hairline looks. It's still a little bit too light, and it will take a little bit of work, but once you master it, it'll come together nicely, and it'll look super natural, and it'll be so worth it. So now I'm going to give you guys a couple of different hairstyling options. I decided to pull out the very front of my hair on each side of my head, and I have this little gold little clip, so I just kind of twisted up my hair and then clipped it together, and I'm just going to let the hair just kind of hang, and this is the first look. So now I'm going to go ahead and take that down, and I wanted to put it in a low ponytail, but for the most part, how this hair is looking is just giving me all kinds of life, and I'm here for it. Y'all, check out Maxine Hair. They are available on Amazon Prime. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.
But if you do, just save my life, save my life.